This video is going to be just a little different. Kind of show just how different two locks from one company can be. That's this key right here, and that's this black one over here. Super easy to pick. A lot harder, I guess. I don't know. You would think that fitting would be, more flat, more whatever, but this one's actually easier. So just to show it, I guess I should probably show these are the keys for the lock. I don't know. I mean, I doubt anybody's gonna say anything, but even if they did, fuck them. So let's see. Nothing on 1. Click at 2. Nothing on 3, 4. A little something at 5. A little something at 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2, and that one's open. So I don't know if this black commando blackout lock is just, it might be the warding or something. It just seems to not do the same way as the other one. Let me see if I can find that though. I had my picks right here and I set them someplace to do something else. Alright, so this is the number 2 from the Reaper. That was the number 4. Same 39 thousandths law lock tools. Tension tool though. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Oh, never mind. No, never mind at all, I guess. I got lucky and just kind of hit everything the right way that time. This thing gave me a little bit more trouble than that other one did. But, that's 2 commando locks for the price of 1.